is a very special day. Today is the day, last video, right Loki? Right? Come here, Loki. Come here. You know what day it is. Loki knows what's up. Right, Loki? Are you excited too? You just want the food, don't you? You smell dinner. So anyways, if you guys saw our last video, you will know that we captured the alien and now we are going to see what's inside of it. Yeah. And there's Princess brushing her hair.
My name's not Princess.
Princess. And before we start, I thought it would be important to wrap the alien's head in foil. Do you want to do that just to make sure there's no mind control games?
So we
I think the alien is actually starting to disintegrate. His skin's looking a little flabby. Loose, if you will. All right, Carly, do you want to wrap his head?
Sure.
Do you want to wrap our head in foil too?
I'm good.
Just to make sure?
I'm good.
To block his brain control. Hopefully not.
Eyes, you can stare into them.
I have my utensil.
Right here where the skin is like.
Yeah, hopefully this works. You won't feel a thing. Want to hold him still for me? We'll see what's inside.
Did he move?
I don't think so.
Here.
Did it work?
Okay.
Skin is like rubber. Aliens have very thick skin. Okay.
This is going to get interesting.
It's always interesting with these things. Okay.
Okay, oh my gosh.
Alright, do you want to start?
Yeah.
Pull out what's in there.
Pepsi. He was drinking your Pepsi.
I don't drink Pepsi. I drink cherry Pepsi. I don't like regular Pepsi. That's weird.
Yeah.
Okay, what else is in there?
Who would eat paper?
Paper? That's weird.
Wait, what? To-do list. Take over puny human girl. Actually, that's not a check mark. Take over the world or make a TikTok?
What? That is so weird. So take over puny human girl, check mark. He called you a puny human girl. Take over the world, not checked. Make a TikTok, not checked. Well, 1 out of 3 ain't bad. He got control over the puny human girl.
Yep.
Alright, what else is in there?
An eyeball. I'm not sure if it's real or not.
That is gross.
Is that real? I'm not sure.
I don't know. I never held an eyeball in my hand. It might be like a glass eye. Like sometimes people lose their eyes and then they have to put like a glass eye in. I don't know.
It's hard.
What?
Is there a head?
It's a headless doll. Okay, hopefully there's a head in there somewhere.
Oh, I feel hair.
You feel hair. Oh, that's good.
You said hopefully.
Ooh. She's kind of creepy. Does she have eyeballs? Did he eat her eyes? Does she have eyes? Yeah, she has eyes. Ew,
Weird.
So weird. Alright, what else is in
Or
there?
do you want it again?
A spaceship? It's weird.
Or what's the back for? Oh, it's like a little figurine toy.
A little spaceship toy.
Aw, wait.
Those look like
The Disney ones.
Yeah, from Toy Story?
See? And And there's little
weird.
bats to it to hold it.
All right, Carly, do you want to do the honors or do you want me to do the honors next?
I'll do the honors. Ow. He ate hand. Oh, we need this.
What is it?
Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer? This is in high demand and you're eating it? You can't eat hand sanitizer.
And his
That's
mouth is-
dangerous.
How does his mouth?
Should we sanitize his hands a little? Watch out. Oh, watch out for corona there, buddy. Keep those hands sanitized. Not even using it right. Are you sanitized now? Are you sanitized? Okay, what else? No. Is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? Why? 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 Answer me. Why? Why do they eat Baby Yoda? No. Every single evil thing. He's so sweet and innocent and cute.
What if you did that?
That would be creepy, but he's so cute and innocent. I'm keeping him in a safe place. I'm sick of him disappearing and ending up in the bellies of villains.
Yeah. I'm scared. It's like home.
What?
Ooh, are your lips Ew. He was.
What is it? Lip smackers. Did you just put that on? That is so gross.
I smelled it.
Ew, that was an
I was like this. I was like
guts.
I smelled it.
Does he need some
Oh,
lip
do you need
smacker?
some lip smacker?
Oh.
Oh, maybe some eyeshadow. This, I think I've used this before too.
That's gross.
There you go.
Is there anything else in here?
Enjoy, sir. Ew. Look at his face, Mom. Mom, look at his face.
Carly, what is that? It looks like an animal's brain. Ew, I don't know what that
Is
is.
that Baby Yoda's brain?
No, Baby Yoda. Well, maybe.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, is that like a mouse brain or something? Is that your brain? That's probably about right. That's the right size.
You're mean.
I'm joking. I don't know. So some kind of weird brain in there or something.
Ah. Tin foil.
Foil?
Oh.
Oh! Tinkerbell! Why would he eat Tinkerbell? Do you not know what food is? There's literally no food items in his stomach. It's like the weirdest thing. Oh, what? Oh. I don't even want to know what this is.
What?
I'm afraid. I don't know. What are those? It's like some kind of weird magnet.
Is it like maybe he got it when he was in school? Like, cause
Alien school?
right and left.
Did you go to alien school?
Right and left go together, right? Or right and right go together or something? And left and,
Positive and negative.
yeah, positive and negative.
Opposites attract.
Oh, so basically left and right go together and right and left. And then, oh, so basically left and right go together and right and left. And then right and right or left and left don't go
They
together.
repel. Like repel.
Ah. See, look. Oops. But here, I'm going to show you. Yeah. This is kind of cool.
That is kind of cool. You're going to keep that? Are you going to wash the alien guts off of it?
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Sorry.
Alright, so these are the things if you guys find an alien.
I was just trying to show, like, it can go right
I
through.
was hoping there'd be some gold or something cool in there. Ooh, it's kind of weird. Although I'm glad he got Baby Yoda.
Were you looking for him?
Yes, he's always disappearing. I need to keep him close
He's
to my
been gone
heart.
for like a month or something.
No, a couple weeks. Put you back up where you belong to watch over me. Alright, I guess that's it. What are we gonna do with him? Put him outside? Maybe the mothership will come for him.
What if you do this to weigh him down? Yeah.
Maybe the mothership will come for him. We'll just leave him outside.
Yeah.
Just hopefully Loki doesn't do his duties on him.